Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the AirPods and the Quest 2, and put your AirPods into pairing mode by holding the case button until the LED flashes. Once done, make sure you have the Oculus mobile app or a PC with the Oculus software logged in. This is essential because the Quest 2 native Bluetooth is restricted. You will use a secondary device to relay audio. That limitation is why this workaround works and is the only reliable method now. You now pair the AirPods to your phone and use the phone as an audio bridge. First, open the Oculus app, select your Quest 2, and enable casting to your phone or initiate Oculus Link to your PC. Casting streams Quest audio to the phone. Next, pair the AirPods to the phone normally. Once paired, make sure phone audio is routed to the AirPods, so the VR audio that's cast will play through your AirPods rather than the phone speaker. You finish by launching your VR app and verifying that audio is coming through the AirPods via the phone cast. Confirm the Oculus app shows an active cast. If you notice lag or dropouts, switch to Oculus Link, USB, so audio and video stay synced while still relaying audio to the phone when needed, or try a wired pass-through. If things go wrong, repair the AirPods, restart the Quest and phone, and check Bluetooth codec compatibility. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.